Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to SS Academy. Our today's topic is round off the numbers to the nearest 100. In the last video, we have discussed about the round off the numbers to the nearest tens. So here, whenever they are asking for round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds, you have to check the number in the tenth place. In the tens place, for example, round off 5,267 to the nearest hundreds. So here what is the number given? 5,267. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, but here they are asking for nearest hundreds. So when asking for nearest hundreds, you have to check the number in the tens place. So here the number in tens place is 6. The number in tens place is 6 and it is greater than 5. So when in case greater than 5, we have to change the number. So in case of greater than 5, add plus 1 in hundreds place. Add plus 1 in hundreds place and replace tens and ones place with 0. Replace tens and ones place with zeros. So these are the two things we have to do. So first you have to write the 5 as it is. So thousand, there is no change in the thousands place, so you have to simply write 5, and then comes the hundreds place. So since it is greater than 5, the number in the tens place is 6 and it is greater than 5, you have to increase the number in the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place we have number 2, so now we have to add 1 in hundreds place. That means we have to add 1 there, therefore the number becomes 3. So after hundreds, tens and then followed by ones place. And what is in the second point here? Replace tens place and ones place with zeros. That means simply you have to put 0. So the answer is 5,267 is rounded off to 5,300. So in this way we can find the round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Let us say one more example. Okay, example number 2. So round off 648 to the nearest hundreds. So first you have to write the number given. So 648. Now write their places: ones place, tens place, here it is hundreds place. Since they are asking for nearest hundreds, so what we have to do, we have to check the number in tens place. What is the number in tens place? We have number 4 in tens place. We know that it is less than 5. It is less than 5. When the number in tens place is less than 5, so then no change in hundreds place. Second point, and replace ones place with 0. Replace ones place with 0. So whatever after the hundreds place, we have to put zeros all the remaining places which are followed by hundred. So the answer is, so hundreds, what is the number in hundreds place? 6. What we have to do, because it is less than 5, no change in hundreds place, so 6 retains. So in the 100 place 6 retains. Tens place, so we have to put 0. We have to put 0. Replace tens and ones place with 0. So tens place 0 and ones place will also be 0. Therefore 648 is rounded off to 600. See example number 3. Okay, let us take another example. 1556. So first what we have to do, we have to write the number with their position. 1 5 5 6. 6 is ones place, 5 is in tens place, this second 5 is in hundreds place, and this is in thousands place. So we have to round off to the nearest hundred. Whenever they are asking for nearest, round off to nearest hundred, you should check the number in the tens place. So here the number in the tens place, so the number in tens place is equal to 5, not less than 5, not greater than 5. So this is the third case. Whenever you got number 5 or 0, if you got number 5, whenever you got number 5 in the tens place, so you can apply any one of the process. Whether you can round it off to the, you can increase the number in hundreds place, or you cannot increase the numbers in the hundreds place. You can follow anyone. So it seems it is not less than 5, greater than 5. So 1556 ones place, tens, hundreds, thousand. So there are two possibilities, we can round it off. So let's see the first one. So thousand, in thousand place 1 remains, in hundreds place. So let us follow the first method. So in hundreds place we can increase the number by 1. So write 6 in hundreds place, write 6 in hundreds place. You can put zeros in the remaining two places. So this is first one, the method we follow for greater than 5. When the number in tens place greater than 5, then we follow that method. So in the second method, so we follow here less than 5 method. So here in the thousand place we have 1, we simply write 1. In the 100 place 5. Since in the case of less than 5 we don't change the number in 100 place, so we are following the same. So hundreds place, thousands place, and tens. You know that in any one of them, in both the methods you have to write zeros in both tens and ones places. So in this way we can do the problems regarding round off the numbers to the nearest. So thanks for watching SS Academy.